That's RCS. Yes, RCS is great. Everybody should do RCS. I got a great SMS message from my supermarket to help me work out what to cook for dinner. But really all they're doing is driving me to a website. There's not a lot of interactivity. There's not a lot of details in the message. If you switch over to RCS instead of SMS, you get a load more benefits in that message. The brand gets a lot more things. My supermarket can do a lot more, but also I can do a lot more. The messages come from my supermarket instead of a number that I'm not necessarily familiar with. It's a branded and verified sender. And here, instead of sending me off to a URL, I actually get the recipes and I get the ingredients with photos directly here in my inbox. When I select them, I get a list of all the ingredients I'm gonna need for the meal. And then I get additional options to show me the full recipe, to shop for ingredients online at my website, or if I wanna go to the store, I can do that as well. One of the cool things about this experience for the brand is that I'm actually giving them information while helping myself. So I'm able to tell them what my food preferences are, how many people I'm feeding, we have any allergies in the house. They're gathering that information about me so that they can further customize the offers, customize the recipes that they give me, and learn more about my habits and my shopping and what works for me. Going forwards in the future, AI can help recommend recipes that I'm really gonna like and that are gonna be more suitable for me and for my family. It's gonna make it a quicker and easier way for me to get dinner on the table for my family.